Water vapor comes out from the plant leaf through stomatal opening. Through the same stomatal opening, carbon dioxide diffuses into the plant during photosynthesis. The process mentioned here are transpiration, that is the release of water vapor, and photosynthesis, that is the intake of carbon dioxide. So these two processes happen simultaneously through the stomata in plant leaves. Coming to transpiration, water vapor exits the leaf through stomatal pores, and this occurs as a result of plants' need to release excess water, and it is driven by the difference in water vapor concentration between the inside of the leaf and the atmosphere. Coming to photosynthesis, the carbon dioxide is absorbed from the atmosphere through the stomata and get converted to carbohydrates and release oxygen into the atmosphere. Now, coming to the options given here, option A, both processes cannot happen simultaneously. This is incorrect. Both the processes happen simultaneously. So, option A is incorrect. Option B, both processes can happen together because the diffusion coefficient of water and carbon dioxide is different. Yes, this is true. The diffusion coefficient of water vapor and carbon dioxide are different, means the rate at which they diffuse through the stomatal opening are not the same. The water vapor diffuses out of the stomata while carbon dioxide diffuses in. So despite being through the same opening, the plant is able to regulate the flow of these gases due to the differences in their physical properties. So option B is the correct answer. Coming to option C, the above process happen only during night time. This is also incorrect because photosynthesis occurs during the day and transpiration can occur both day and night. So option C is incorrect. Option D, one process occurs during daytime and the other at night. So as we explained right now, option D is also incorrect. The correct answer is option B.